Hello guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. Today, I'm going to share how you can create a group chat on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Then, click on the messenger icon in the top right corner. Now, tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner to start a new message. Select the contacts you want to add to the group chat. You can choose multiple people. After selecting, tap on the chat option at the top right. Type a message and send it to create the group chat. You can also name the group by clicking on the info icon in the chat and selecting group name. Your Instagram group chat is now ready. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.